everybody, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another memory spread. In this video we are going to be memory planning the week of April 20th through April 26th, and the kit I'm going to be using is a kit from my mom's shop, BoodlesDoodlesDesign, and this kit is called Birds at Home. And just going through the kit, we have the 8 full boxes and narrow washi. We have the thin washi, the thick washi. We have the date covers, the sampler with your habit tracker, your labels, your weekend banner, your icons, your deco pieces, your flags, and your 3-heart checklists, and then your half boxes and quarter boxes. So that is the kit we're going to be using for this week. As always, I will have my mom's shop listed below if you guys are interested in this kit. So go ahead and check the description box in case you guys are interested and you want to see other fun goodies she has coming to her shop or anything. She does have new releases that went live this week. I will be filming a video on that very soon. Anyways, without further ado, I'm going to speed you guys up, lay down the bones of the kit, and then we'll get into the plans. Okay, so that is the base of the spread using pretty much almost half of the kit. I ended up pulling in some glitter headers from my leftover sticker stash and everything just because I didn't have ones from Mom's shop that completely matched 100%, and I liked throwing in some of this green to kind of pull out some of the green in the kit. I bent this corner whenever I had the book flipped on this side, so this page got kind of bent, which it's gonna bother me the entire time, but we will have to deal with it. Anyway, so yeah, this is how the spread is looking. I'm really digging this whole motif right here. Feeling this vibe. So I'm just gonna flip the book back over and go throughout my week. I'm gonna speed you guys up just a little bit and do this voiceover style. So we're gonna get going. So the first thing that I want to mark is the fact that I took this time on Monday to clean my entire house, and when I say clean, I mean I cleaned the whole thing. I moved furniture, I mopped the floors, I scrubbed my counters. I like to do this about once a week, especially now with the whole virus going on. So I just wanted to mark that, and I use this little bucket from the Fox and Pip, and the Tidy Up script is from Pink Leaf Prints. And then I filmed a workout for my client, and I just used a box from the kit and this little workout girl from Sassy Apple Studio. And then Shane's band came over for dinner, so I just have this little emojis from the Coffee Monsters codes, like little friend emojis. And then I wanted to mark that I played Animal Crossing, so I used the Switch from Sassy Planner Co. On Tuesday, I wanted to mark that I slept in really, really late. So I just marked this little sleeping girl from the Fox and Pip. And then I also wanted to mark that I had a Zoom workout with my client. So I just used a computer from Sassy Planner Co. And I also wanted to mark that I just felt really blah this day. I just was not in a good mood. So I just marked this blah girl from Shine Sticker Studio. And then I also wanted to mark that I started my taxes on this day. So I used this overwhelmed paperwork doodle from Hello Studio Co. Jumping over to Wednesday, I wanted to mark that I got more information on my taxes. I played Animal Crossing with my sister-in-law, and I read more of my book. And I wanted to mark that Shane made spaghetti. I also just wanted to mark that this day was just really rough, so I used another Emotion Girl from Shine Sticker Studio, and that little script sticker is from the Happy Planner. Jumping over to the 23rd, I wanted to mark that I took my sister-in-law to the chiropractor, so I just used these little friends from the Fox and Pip, and the doctor's appointment script is from the Happy Planner. I worked on taxes a lot this week, so I just wanted to mark this overwhelmed doodle from Hello Studio Co. The next thing I wanted to mark is that when me and my sister-in-law went to go pick up groceries, our grocery delivery, someone almost ran into me, so I just wanted to mark this little angry driving beanie from Every Minute a Story. That was so frustrating. On Friday, I wanted to mark that I went running with my sister-in-law and a really good friend of mine, so I just wanted to put this little shoe from Sweet Kawaii Designs down. That made me feel much better. It helped with my anxiety a lot. I love running. I also wanted to mark that on this day, it was the day that I ordered the SPC 6-year bundle. I went back and forth as to whether or not I was going to get it, but finally I just bit the bullet and I was like, you know what, I'm going to do it. The kit was just too pretty. And then I wanted to mark that I had another personal training session via Zoom with my client, and that little computer laptop sticker is from a freebie that I got. Jumping down, I wanted to mark that we were at my mom and dad's for dinner, and mom just made a huge pot of spaghetti. We had spaghetti 2 nights this week, which I'm not really mad about. I like spaghetti. It's pretty good. I also wanted to mark that on this night I watched the movie Extraction, which stars Chris Hemsworth. And I watched that with my dad and my husband. So I'm just using this little movie watching couple from the Coffee Monsters Co. And the movie marquee is from the kit. Jumping over to Saturday, I wanted to mark that Shane and I went over to his grandparents' house and we barbecued some chicken. The weather was really nice, so I just wanted to mark that using this little apron from Sassy Apple Studio. And we also had our friends come over and eat the barbecue with us, so I'm just putting this little friends eating dinner emoji from Coffee Monsters Co. and that hanging with friends script is from Carpe Diem stickers. Then I wanted to mark that I just was really lazy and binge watched a lot of The Office. I could never get tired of The Office. I know they keep saying they're going to take it off of Netflix, and I really hope they don't because I cannot get tired of it. And then I wanted to mark that Shane and I watched yet another new documentary. We started watching the Ted Bundy tapes. Really crazy. It actually gave me some really weird dreams on that night. So it's really interesting though. It's kind of Shane and I's thing. We like watching new documentaries on Netflix. So jumping over to Sunday, I'm just going to mark church the way I've been marking it. We go over to my parents' house and do our church service. So this little house is from GL Designs Group and the church script is from the Happy Planner. Later on that day, I wanted to mark that mom made Salisbury steak for dinner, and I love my mom's Salisbury steak. I know it's like, you know, basically just a hamburger patty with gravy, but I don't know. There's something that she does with it. It's just so freaking good, and I love when mom cooks dinner because it means I don't have to. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that I spent some time and actually like helped my parents scrub down their kitchen because I was like, you know, if we're gonna come over and we're gonna, you know, eat, I'm at least gonna help you clean up. So I did that, and I just used that little sticker from GL Designs Group. And then I wanted to mark that I started filming my plan with me on this night. So I'm using this little filming munchkin, and the little film script is from my mom's shop, BoodlesDoodlesDesign. Okay, that is it. That is the final spread. This is everything that went on last week. I did not have a very busy week at all. Actually, I kind of had a rough week. I a lot of this week I was just not in a good mood, not in a good, I guess, mental state of mind. So, I don't know. I didn't have a lot that I actually did just because I really wasn't feeling it. I'm sure the whole world is feeling that way, but I love planning and it puts me in a good mood, so any opportunity I get to sit down and film is a great one. I'm actually pretty happy with how this spread turned out. It kind of has a similar color pattern to last week, but you know, I like these colors. They're very springtime, very happy, very springtime, and I really dig it. So that is it. That is everything I have for you guys. I just want to thank you so much for tuning into this video and sitting down and watching me plan. I'll try to make sure the next one is a little bit more upbeat and happy, but I just want to thank you guys so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you can stay notified on whenever I upload. Don't forget to check the bottom bar so you can follow me on Instagram. It is linked below, and my mom's shop is listed below as well. She's got a lot of cool things in her shop, including this kit, and I will also be filming a video showing you guys all of the new releases she has coming to you for June. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.